Howdy, howdy. Yeah, I'm back. It is now day 5 of all things. So, 5 days in, and just gonna do a little check about what we have, as usual, just kind of showing what we have so far, and some of the things I'd like to get done today. Um, I do have a notepad, but we'll go over that in a second. But, we have all this cool stuff here. Where's all that? Compare that to what it was like day 1. Ooh, man. Definitely making progress. But now, let's go over that. Let's go over that notepad. I did a little bit of testing, like an hour before recording, just so I can kind of collect my thoughts on what I want to do today. And actually, detail mazes. Set that in there too. Basically just play testing, seeing if things worked properly. And so let's go over this. Oh, actually, I don't need to put that up here. I can do that. That was an issue with this. I needed that there so I would remember. Uh, this thing is off colored. It's blue instead of green. There we go. Instead of that, I gotta fix other maze entrances, not giving force fields. There we go, much better. And I think I also forgot to give. Yeah, I forgot to do this yesterday too. So let's go ahead and do that before we do anything really stupid. There it is. Let's put that over here. And where's the last one? I know it's here. Where's that one maze entrance? Oh, it's like all the way over here. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Alright. So let's go over this. I noticed an issue. The last two maze entrances don't give force fields. That's a little bit of an issue, and it's kind of annoying. I want to move the button for stairs into requiring windows and not walls. I might do it to entryway actually. I'm gonna make the default cache 25 so that way people buy this thing. Um, let's make the tech upgrade require the roof, as in this thing, that roof right there. Um, and what else? Detail mazes. I want to put some of the texture. I want to put some textures on the mazes. And finally, the real treat of what we're doing today. I want to do a 3D skybox. And it doesn't make a whole lot of sense right now, but I'm going to explain what that is in a bit. It's a really, really cool model that I want you guys to see. But for now, let me fix this. Can't collide on. No, can't collide off. Anchor it. Please. This thing does not fucking want to be here. There we go, perfect. Alright, first thing off the list, fix other mazes not giving force fields. That's annoying. Let's grab that. Now the thing is, we have to make sure that this tycoon is absolutely finished before we go making other tycoons. Now the thing is, once this tycoon's done, all we really have to do that's, in our workload is basically just duplicating this, moving it over, and then coloring it to match one of the other ghosts. So it's not too terribly bad of a workload, but there's a little bit of an issue. If we find an issue after duplicating the other tycoons, well, then that becomes an issue because we won't be able to. We'd have to basically fix it 4 times over, right? And so that's a little bit of a nuisance. So we want to make absolutely sure that we squeeze out as many issues out of this first one as possible, just to prevent that kind of situation from arising. Um, We didn't put debris on these other ones. We're retarded, aren't we? Yeah, we're stupid. Alright. Let's get that going. There we go. Perfect. Alright. We can go ahead and cross that out. Make stairs require floor 1 windows. Basically, we're going to move this button from walls into stairs. No, wait, nope, I'm stupid. From walls into window. Windows 1. Perfect. Actually, scratch that. Let's put it in an entryway. I think that's a little better. Let's put that in the entryway. Because I noticed that it's kind of, you don't really have any incentive to buy the entryway. There would be incentive to buy the gate, don't worry, but, you know, weapons and all that. But, alright. Let's go ahead and get that out. Default cache 25, that's easy. Let's just, I know we're kind of blazing through these, but I only had the majority of this list just so I could remember what to do. Um, Make tech upgrade requires, oh, okay. This thing. We want to make that require the roof. So let's find that roof object real quick. Perfect. That was easy. And now detail mazes. Now, I wasn't very clear on what that meant. I want to basically just give some of these textures. If that makes any sense. Nothing too special. I just want to see how this would look with some better materials. Something like bricks, maybe. We can make this one slate, I guess. Hope you understand what I mean by this now. And finally, but last but not least, let's make this one grass. It is kind of a grassy place, so let's make it grass. There we go. And look a little bit more lively now, which is nice. Alright, let's get to the main crux of what I want to do today before we just kind of start doing random shit. 8 minutes in, we already just filled out that entire list. Wow. Alright, so there's a model that I'm going to show. Might take me a second to find this because I haven't used it in a while. So just give me a second, but it is in here. And the it's quite the model. And I will, as soon as I find this, come on. Trying to make sure I don't miss it like an idiot. Because it's really fucking cool. 3D Skybox. Now, this comes from Joe Smaller Dev. He's pretty cool. Let's view in browser. I'm gonna put this in the description because this is so unbelievably fucking cool. And I mean that in the most literal sense. This thing is so goddamn nice. I fucking love this thing. And so I'm gonna put this here just so I can remember it. Oops. Oh, that's a huge link. Really need such a huge link, bro? Goddamn. Here, let me just copy the ID. Open a random model. No, they're just that they're okay. I guess they're just that huge. All right, whatever. I was hoping I could have got my link is like even bigger. Oh my god. just keep it like that. That works. It's fine. I don't give enough. Ew. But anyhow, this thing is really cool, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. But basically, you put this in your starter GUI. Um, Now, this thing has a model that's already... Can I close some of this shit? Oh my god. Alright. Now, this thing already has a model inside of it, and it's just called City. And this is basically just a demonstration of what it does. And we're going to put this in starter GUI. And I'm going to show you what this does. We're just going to play. And basically, if you've ever played Gmod and you remember those... Did I forget to enable the script? I think I did. No, it's here. It's because I have a sky on. Let me That's weird. You should be able to see it. It should be popping up right now, unless I'm stupid. Oh, I think I know what's going on. Position is way fucking off. That's why. Make sure your shit's centered. There we go. Now, basically, is that supposed to be so reflective? Holy shit. Let me, get rid of this skybox. There we go. Perfect. Now, basically, what this thing does is you could take 3D objects and then puts them in the sky, like so. Which is pretty cool. It's really cool, actually. And what's really special about this is there is parallax on this, by the way. If I go down eventually, you can see it at the bottom of my screen. I am moving down. The part is getting closer. So you can like modify all sorts of cool shit. You could change the scale of objects and all that. And it basically makes these things impossibly fucking huge, which is really nice. If I take my character here, let's move me to the edge real quick. And I'm gonna go into workspace. Fallen parts, destroy height. Let's make it really deep. So I'm gonna be falling for a while. Watch, we're just gonna let it fall. You can see that I'm actually getting kind of close to it. Now it doesn't have any collision, so I will just fall through it, but I hope that answers some questions. But yeah, basically just makes shit real fucking huge, which is really cool. And we're gonna use that in conjunction with one of these to make this whole place kind of look like a giant arcade. If that makes any sense. That's kind of the plan, at least. Oh, that's weird. Little sparkle effects right here. I guess it is the center. Oh well. Now we're gonna enable double-sided. So that should make the inside of this visible. Oh wow, this thing looks really weird on the inside, I'm not gonna lie. I might just grab a better looking arcade actually. Let me see if we can find one. Let's just try and find an arcade machine. That looks pretty fucking good. Ooh, damn. And it's double-sided, wow. Look at that, that is pretty fucking nifty if I say so myself. Get rid of that. White part, we can get rid of that. Both of these. We don't really need it. We're gonna make this, strike this out of the way. Make this position 0, 0, 0. And actually, scratch that. Let's make this part 0, 0, 0 because we have to find the absolute center real quick. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna, can I reset that pivot, please? Thank you. Alright. Let's line up this like so. That way it kind of looks like we're inside an arcade. We're going to put that inside of here. We're going to anchor it, obviously. Get rid of that city. Let's see how that looks. It looks almost good, but I'm pretty sure the skybox is really fucking us up here. Let me see if I can see it a little better. Ooh. Definitely looks better. I think we should lower it down a little bit, though. Skybox distance. Change that to where it's not that terribly far out. We want it to be far, but we don't want it to be that far. Allow movement. We're not going to do that. We're going to disable the movement aspect. We don't really want that. Oh, this skybox is really just starting to get on my nerves. Oh shit, whoops. Didn't even put it back in, I'm stupid. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this skybox thing. I actually might change this out for something else. I gotta get rid of this fucking skybox. Get the hell out of here. Really starting to get on my nerves. That sun is starting to get on my nerves. Put that here. Sun size. Fucking 0, please. Oops, sorry. Ah, what the fuck? Well, that ain't right. Actually, I think that's fine. We just gotta... Oh, it's almost fine. Raise it up a little bit, and then make the distance a little smaller. That's just ugh. How about if we just make it night? Hmm. Alright, I have a little bit of a better idea. Let's make a pellet real quick. Let's neon this. Let's put that old skybox back. Get rid of that. Pac-Man sky. Put that back in here. Put this away. Server storage. Yeah. Um. And then let's raise this up by like 10 just so I can fucking see. Alright. 1. Let's make a circle of shit. And let's space them out a little bit better. Let's get a wedge. Actually, instead of a wedge, let's just use a normal part and then we're just gonna rotate it. Mm. Ow. My entire fucking existence. Oof. Alright. Duplicate, negate, union. Alright, perfect. We're just about perfect, actually. Waka 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 waka. That's pretty funny. Alright. Um. Hmm. Sorry. There we go. Just have to flatten it out a little bit. I'm trying to remember if gravity applies in the skyboxes. I don't know. Anchor this. Put this in the skybox. Just yeet. The big block. Alright. GUI, skybox. This thing. Anchored. Gravity does not fucking apply here. Okay, that's mildly annoying. That's a big yikes for me. Okay, fuck. View. Okay, what happens if I made this a world model? We just name this that. I don't know much about world models, so I'm pretty sure it's like basically the same thing. Current camera, oh well, go fuck yourself, I guess. Alright, that kind of complicates things because this is not the exact same size as the other one, which is an issue because if we try centering them like this is gonna happen where it's gonna look weird, basically. If that makes any sense. It's not exactly what I want to happen. Unless we knew like the exact distance to offset it, I guess. That might work. But I don't know. It's like what, 0.25 maybe? Oh, that was literally it. Okay, yeah, 0.25. Alright. Let me just select all these real quick. Group that. And we'll just name this pellet ring. Now basically the idea of what we're doing is we're going to tween these guys around like this on the ring and then just kind of alternate between the two. So it kind of looks like these, you know, just like waka waka waka. If that makes any sense. There's no gravity in there, but you can script things, which is cool. Oh, that's not what I want. Let's name it Pack 1, Pack 2. Anchor 'em. Let's just see how it looks real quick. Now, because it's unioned, it shouldn't really have any issues. Oh, what's going on? Where's my shit? Oh, I think it's like, oh yeah, that's right. It's like super high above us, isn't it? Just gotta lower it down by 10. That's pretty funny. There's a slight issue. The skybox, when it's this close, does tend, because we only have it like, I think, a thousand away or something. Yeah. Sometimes it kind of clips over things at that range. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I mean, hey, it looks pretty good. All right, let's put this whole thing in a group, and let's put a script inside of your script. We're basically just gonna let's get that tweening module wherever the hell that is. There it is, perfect. Now let's quickly pull this out real quick, this pellet ring thing. And we gotta kind of number these real quick. So starting at here, we're gonna call all of these just pellet for now. Actually, maybe instead of doing this, we could use this script here. Okay, first of all, let's paste this into here. Disable this too, so it doesn't start running shit. Model. Alright. Pellet ring, model, child added connect function part. There we go. Alright, now let's copy this whole thing. We're going to paste that in here. And basically what we're going to do is we're just going to grab one, place it in there. That, place it in there. That, place it in there. That, place it in there. It's still slow, but it's definitely a lot faster than what we would have been doing. We could have done it by hand, but I mean, this is much easier. Let's just get rid of that. That was easy. Alright. Let's move this back down. Put this back in here. Alright. Now we're only going to do it to pack 1 first because it just seems easier. So we're going to say for I equals number of, actually, while true do, and we're going to say script parent, actually, local model equals script.parent. Model, actually, local pack1 equals model.pack1, local pack2 equals model.pack2, and local pellet ring equals model.pellet. Perfect. All right. So pack1 dot cframe equals pellet ring pellet1 dot cframe, and just wait 1, I guess. Let's just see if he lines up properly. That's just kind of my main concern here. He's backwards. It's fine. Times cframe dot angles. Actually, yeah, he's backwards. Okay. math.rad 180. Well, that didn't fucking help. I think that was the one direction that wouldn't have helped. It's kind of funny. There we go, perfect. Alright. Times cframe.new. Let's just give him a random direction and see which way he goes. Okay, well that was the way we kind of wanted him to go. Alright, so we kind of need him to go half of 0.25. 0.25. I could just do slash 2, but I want 125. Sorry, I'm just really stupid. Alright. Same with pack2. Pack2 dot cframe. We're gonna have it equal the same thing, except it doesn't really matter if he's facing the right way since he's just kind of, you know, a circle. He doesn't really have the mouth or anything, so it doesn't really matter if he's facing the wrong way. Alright, now for I equals number of pellet ring get children to 1 minus 1 do. Actually, instead of doing that, we're going to do it a little differently because we have to count up. So I have to say 1 to number of pellet ring get children plus 1 because we're counting up. Actually, I don't think we need this. We can just get rid of that. Not get rid of it. We'll put it there. I mean, we don't need it in the loop. So, God, I can't speak today. I'm sorry. So sorry. Let's tween it. We're gonna say 1 second, I guess. Doesn't really matter. Parameters. C-frame equals all that jazz. Pack 1. Wait. False, I guess. Because we're gotta do it again anyway, so it's not like it matters. This one will be true, though. Actually, let's leave that one true, and then we'll do pack 2. Be the one that's false. Duh, come on. And pellet dash dot dot I. Not dash dash dot dot. I'm stupid. Oh, whoops. That should do it. I think. Unless I'm retarded, which, you know, I am. Let's see how it looks. There he goes. A little fast, so I think I might. Duh. Dude just fucking flipped. I know what's going on. I'm just retarded. Pellet ring. Duplicate. Okay, let's get rid of literally fucking all of this. Except pellet 1, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really fucking matter. It's so stupid. gonna rotate that twice. Hopefully that works. I hope. I mean, hoping's all I can really fucking do at this point. So, fuck. Just call it something starts with a Z, I guess. No, because it goes to the top. Guess we're doing this again. We just gotta basically pray that it fucking works this time. Okay, let me close this so I can see better. Why can't I select everything but that? Huh? Fucking broken ass pellet, bro. Yep, let's just hope this works this time. So go check in Discord again. And I didn't move it into the right place. I'm stupid. And I think I might have just... There you go. Sorry, I was just checking something. Making sure I'm not being retarded. Alright, let's see if he doesn't... Let's see if he fucking just randomly flips. He shouldn't anymore, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell with Roblox bullshit. Alright, looks like it works perfectly fine. Just gonna give him a couple bit more, just a little bit more. You see how he's kind of clipping into the floor a little bit? That's kind of what I'm talking about. Oh, he kind of freezes there. What was that for? Oh, that's annoying. Oh, it's because I have a weight 1 here. Oops. Alright, let's put another while true do. Actually, okay, so basically what we want to do is we want to have it, um, needs to be open by the time they hit it every second or every 2 seconds. So by the end of this, pack 2 should be visible. We only have to turn this one on and off. The other ones can always stay on, but okay, so we're gonna make it transparent at first. Okay, actually, let's put this in a delay. Delay function 0, just so it doesn't do anything. Okay, so my thought is basically every half second, I guess. No, because then that's not gonna. Okay. I think that would work. I don't know. Because after 2 seconds, that would be when this happens. So it should just kind of naturally work out. I'm pretty sure. Hmm. It is kind of cute though. Let's get properties open. These palettes aren't exactly the widest they could be, which is a little annoying. So we're just gonna get that we're gonna get that color way wider. Um, I think their sizes could be a little bit smaller as well. Just a hint smaller, just a little smidget. We're also gonna take the Skybox script. Let's raise that distance up to like 2000. Oh, that kind of helps. But it kind of makes it look pretty bad in here. It doesn't really change much at all. get that atmosphere out of here. Let's just throw that in server storage for now. On top of that, let's get this a little better looking. Skybox Script. Let's make the offset like 10 plus just so I can raise this up because it is really starting to get on my nerves to have to work on this in the ground. Alright. I need this because it's not rotating properly when I should help a lot. I don't give enough of a shit. This is retarded. Oh, that's weird. Sorry if this episode kind of drags on. Uh, oh, that looks so much nicer. Look at him go. Waka 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 waka. Alright, let's make it where immediately afterwards, that pellet then gets its transparency set to 1. And we put a delay here. About 3 seconds. Function. And then let's make a tween. False. That's pretty cute. No, I still think it moves a bit fast and it's almost anxiety inducing actually. It's how fast he moves. Um, it's almost like he's on a direct fucking collision course, like a spiral down to colliding with us. Oh wow, now it looks like he's kind of just on the path. That's pretty funny. Alright, I know we didn't really get a whole lot done today, and I do kind of have to profusely apologize a little bit, but there is only so much that I can really do in one day. Um, I did just kind of eat up this whole episode just doing the Skybox because my initial idea was making it like a little arcade, right? You know, because that makes sense. We're kind of in an arcade. Um, but it didn't really work out all that well. So, but we do have a little bit of a new idea with the Pac-Man that kind of circles. So it does look a little nice, but I wish we hadn't wasted all that time. But oh well. Sorry if this is a boring episode, but I think next episode we're just gonna focus on. I keep saying it, but we gotta get gears. We have to get gears. I keep like putting it off, but we really gotta do gears. Um, I will probably just end up using like a free model or something. So, but till then, I'll see you all in the next one. Fucking hell.